Is this stroller car seat combo a better take on the Doona?
Or is it doing the same thing with more weight?
We're trying the Evenflo Shyft DualRide in case you aren't able to.
Starting with what you'll love about it. It's a stroller car seat combo. So not only can it go from car seat to stroller after you take the accessories off first, but you can take it off the stroller frame so it's just a car seat.
For the fold, you can switch from car seat to stroller in a matter of seconds. When ready to stroll, pull on the lever and let the legs extend out. The car seat handle extends to become the stroller handlebar, and then to fold, pull the bottom lever to have the wheels tuck in, and then it becomes a carrier. As far as installation goes, it has some conveniences. It can be installed with the base using the flexible latch system. The base's recline can be adjusted with a pull of a lever.
And the base has a storage system for the latches when they're not in use.
The base can also be installed with the vehicle seatbelt.
It has a lockout for the vehicle seatbelt to keep it secure, and it indicates green when it's properly closed. And then there's also a couple ways you can install it without the base using only the vehicle seatbelt. You can install it as a car seat without the stroller frame, or you can install it with the stroller frame on it. Just note that if you want to install it with the stroller frame, you do have to pop off and store the wheels. But not having to bring a separate car seat base or stroller really makes traveling a breeze. And when it comes to safety features, the anti-rebound bar is actually built directly into the base.
For the harness, it has a really convenient harness. It's no rethread harness, easily adjusts to 8 positions.
It also has SensorSafe technology that alerts you in real time of any unsafe conditions. For example, if baby gets left unattended or if their chest clip unbuckles. In terms of ease of use, you don't have to worry about dirty wheels in your cart because they sit right in the base. Plus, you can remove the carrier from the stroller frame so you don't have to worry about taking dirty wheels into the house. And the infant car seat is placed higher in the stroller, which means the baby's closer to you. When it comes to the handlebar, it is adjustable.
And it sits pretty high, making it a great option for taller parents.
Now let's talk about some things that might not work for you. In terms of maneuverability and ride, it has some suspension, but as you can see, it's still a bumpy ride for baby, so I wouldn't call it smooth at all.
As far as size and weight go, it is heavier than Doona, and the car seat alone is 10 pounds, which makes it heavier than most.
But most other travel systems are much heavier, so all in all, it's not really that bad.
As far as storage goes, it doesn't have built-in storage, but it does come with this attachable storage bag.
In terms of portability, when the Shyft is folded, the weight distribution causes it to tilt forward.
And it's worth mentioning that it takes 2 levers to collapse and set back to stroller mode, which makes it a little confusing when you're on the go, especially for parents.
And then for the buckle, there's these little buckle holders that you can see on the side where you would place them when you're trying to put your baby in the car seat, which may seem like a good idea, but in our experience, really just got in the way and didn't provide much assistance.
For the canopy, when adjusting, it hits this top bar here, as well as clicks, so that could wake a sleeping baby, and there's no peekaboo window.
But the canopy is full coverage, which is a big plus for this kind of stroller car seat combo.
And then for longevity, once the baby outgrows the car seat, they outgrow the stroller, and you can't use it anymore. So you can't use it for toddlers, and it's only parent facing as well, so it doesn't have the option to reverse or recline the seat upwards.
In terms of value and affordability, it is on the higher end of infant car seat prices, but you are getting a stroller and it is cheaper than the Doona.
And in addition to the storage bag, it also comes with the cup holder. So what's our final take?
If you're looking for something high-tech that makes getting in and out of the car easier, then the Evenflo Shyft DualRide could be the right fit for you, especially since it sends safety alerts to give you peace of mind.
Just keep in mind it's on the heavier side and your baby will eventually outgrow it. So it's best for parents that really value that all-in-one convenience during the infant stage.
Do you have any questions about the Evenflo Shyft DualRide?
Is there any other baby gear you'd like to see us try? Let us know in the comments below.
Thanks for watching Babylist Tries It, where we try baby gear in case you aren't able to.